Hi everyone, my name is Hong, and today I'm going to present you the topic of ethical hacking for information system using SPOST, which is the custom method that I have created for penetration testing. So now let's get started. So as you can see, the rate of cybersecurity threat detected for government and also the business keep increasing, that around 700 and 300 confrontations being reported to Sir Australia and around 8,000 incidents reported in 2013. So ideally, penetration testing aims to ensure that vulnerabilities and also weaknesses in network environment are detected before they are exploited in the real world attack. So this is the aim of penetration testing. However, there's a main concern that the current methods of the IS or information system penetration testing only focus on the high level and also the technical description of the process. The new method is created based on the comparative analysis of the current pen test methods that will focus on the management of pen test or penetration testing, which follow the combat and also the sprint tools principle. However, there are problem of the existing solutions. So while working on this final report, there are 5 penetration testing were tested, and that include ASAF, OSMS, OSPOP, PTES, NIST 800 and 115. So the main reason for choosing them is that because they are open sources and the most popular among the other method available out there. However, the one major challenge is the area of integration testing of IS or information system, and IT management can be partially found in the ASAF that lead to risk analysis, as well as the practical usability is limited. Also, the OSMS is only it does not provide any tool or method for completing the modules. So as you can see, the two methods are not easy to use, and also for OTG, it does not have a complete coverage all type of the penetration testing. So PTES and NIST, which is similar to ISAF, that lack area of the integration to the context of IS and IT management and project management. So here comes the solution. So the solution is called SPOST, as you know. So SPOST stands for the strongly protected penetration testing, and it is open source, totally free to use, and it's created that aim to be accurate and complex, close to connection and IT security government principles. So SPOST is created based on the process of the current principle of COVID, which is a framework, and also the Sprint 2 as well. So SPOST consists of 2 main layers. So the first is the general layer, and the second one is the detail layer. And also these 2 layers can be used for long-term process without any concerning about the loss of accuracies. So talking about the general level. So general level consists of 2. So first one is the IT security management of pen test, and the other one is the project management of pen test. So as you can see, this is the original process module of COVID, and it consists of 34 processes in total. And as you can see here, we got 34 processes, and here is the new method that is created based on the COVID, and it's now reduced to only 16 processes, as you can see right here. So now let's move to the other one, is the project management of penetration testing. Even though all of that considered to be a project, but current method do not focus on this topic, and SPOST will eliminate the issue, and because it used the processes theme and also the principle from the Sprint 2 and to write down the basic rule. So because of the time limited, I think that I will quickly introduce this type of section briefly. So for the lesson learned as well as the final log can be uploaded to the repository. Okay, so now what's next is the milestone and the The client should also be set, and the test rule define all the tool. Further, it is the tester is authorized or unauthorized to use, as well as the communication plan. It should contain all the information of the team member, and in case a problem happen, and so that they can contact directly. So these are the two software that can be used to record all of the process in case of the critical system, that can be recorded using these two software. Record my desktop in Kali Linux and also Camtasia in Windows, so that they can check the problem when the problem happened. So now let's go to the detail level. As you can see, there are three sections of this SPOSPT method. The first one is planning, testing, and also reporting. So this is the process module of the detail level. You will see all of the detail level in the port that I have already finished. Okay, so now let's talk about the limitation of the SPOSPT method. So there are two main reasons that is the limitation of this method, which is the first one, the technical level description, and the other one is the tools to use. Let's go to the evaluation criteria. So the first one is theoretical evaluation. So as you can see, these are the area that we use to compare to the existing one with this post. So these are different area of the tool, and as you can see, SPOSPT method can eliminate most of the problem, as you can see right here. So the two things is the technical level description and the tool, which is partially focused on that. That is why it is listed as I mentioned above in the limitation of the current progress. But compared to all of this, as you can see, for SPOSPT method, the mainly focus on each of the area. And for the other area is the main group, and I also done the Wi-Fi penetration testing that will also list in the appendix section. So for the control group, we'll also focus on using on the SPOSPT, and it focus on using through the white box. So I will not go in detail talking about this. And the result of the evaluation criteria, you can see that there are 6 quality of planning, operational management, implementation, context, documentation, tested system are all covered right here, and you will see the result based on using the formula here. So you can see it step by step. So now let's go to see the table here. So this is the result of the practical evaluation. So based on that, they are supposed to have 2 groups, which is IT security manager and also IT operation managers. So this is the result coming from using the existing one and also using the SPOSPT. So the result is higher than that. Yep, this is all about it. The summary and conclusions. You can see that there's also the missing management level that focus area on the integration testing of the IT and IS management and threat analysis, projects management, and also the complete overage of the method that can be used for all types of pen tests. And also it brings the better result. What we can do next for further research is that I will also focus on the integration of the new method into some existing standard, and also the technical level and the tool, as it's now not really fully upgraded. And these are the references I use. The appendix that focus on the Wi-Fi hacking as practical evaluation.